Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a RapidAPI key. First, navigate your web browser to the RapidAPI Hub website. This is your central portal for discovering and connecting to a vast array of application programming interfaces. The platform hosts over 40,000 APIs, making it a comprehensive resource for developers. To access and manage API keys, you will need to either create a new account or log in to an existing one. This initial step is crucial for personalized access. Once on the RapidAPI Hub homepage, look for the prominent Sign Up or Login button, usually found in the top right corner. If you are new, select Sign Up and follow the prompts to create an account using your email address, or opt for a quicker sign up through Google or GitHub. If you already have an account, simply click Log In and enter your registered email and password. This step grants you access to your personal dashboard and API management tools. With your account ready, it's time to find an API. Utilize the search bar at the top of the page to look for specific APIs or explore the various categories such as data, finance, or utilities. Once you find an API that suits your needs, click on it to view its details. On the APIs page, you will see different pricing plans. Many APIs offer a basic or free tier, allowing you to test it out. Select your desired plan to subscribe. After successfully subscribing to an API, you will be directed to its Endpoints tab. On this page, typically on the right-hand side, you will find code snippets in various programming languages. Within these snippets, your unique RapidAPI key, often labeled XRapidAPI key, will be clearly visible. This key is automatically generated upon subscription. Simply copy this key and paste it into your application's code or development environment to authenticate your requests and start using the API.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.